In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of malware in your Microsoft Edge browser. We'll focus on removing pesky pop-ups and spam to help make your browsing experience more secure and enjoyable. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's take a close look at any extensions you might have. Extensions can often be the culprits behind unwanted ads or suspicious activity. To start, open up Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner of your browser where you'll see three dots. Click on them and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the left panel and click on Extensions. This will show you a list of all the installed extensions on your browser. Carefully review this list and keep an eye out for any extensions you didn't install yourself, or those that are responsible for showing ads or redirecting your pages unexpectedly. If anything seems unfamiliar or has a peculiar name, go ahead and remove it. This step can significantly enhance your safety while browsing. Next, we're going to clear your browsing data. Staying in the settings, go to the section called Privacy, Search and Services, and then find Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll see an option labeled Choose What to Clear. Click on that. You'll want to set the time range to all time to ensure a thorough cleanup. Then make sure to check the options for clearing your browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Clear Now. This process will help in removing cached information that may also be contributing to malware and spam. Now let's enhance your security settings. While still in the Privacy, Search and Services section, navigate to Security. Here you'll find an option titled Enhance Your Security on the Web. Turn this on and select either Balanced or Strict for added protection, depending on your preference. This setting will provide an extra layer of defense against potential threats. Lastly, we need to make sure pop-ups and redirects are being effectively handled. Go to the Privacy, Search and Services section, then move to Site Permissions and click on All Permissions. Here, find pop-ups and redirects. Ensure that the setting labeled Blocked Recommended is enabled. This step is vital for stopping those unwanted surprises from cluttering your screen. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of malware infiltrating your Microsoft Edge browser. Ensuring your extensions are legitimate, clearing your browsing data frequently, enhancing your security settings, and blocking pop-ups are all practical measures you can take for a safer online experience. Thanks for joining today, and happy browsing.